Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel Subhra the Geek. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त, मैं हूँ आपका host Subhra. So guys, today I have finally invested some good amount of money for my channel. I have got a new microphone. It's a podcasting microphone. It's a professional podcasting microphone that is from Maono Au-A04 microphone. So I have purchased this and I will be using it for my videos on my channel, the all online videos, all live videos which I do will be done using this. All the gaming videos will be using recording using this from now. I'll be using this, so I'll be testing it and I'll be posting an in-depth review in a 1 month's time. That is, I'll be posting the in-depth review at the first week of November. This is 1st of October when I have this microphone with me. So we will be unboxing it and overview. We will be seeing what are the things inside the box and what are the things we get and we do not get. So guys, without further ado, I am your host Subhra. You are watching Subhra the Geek. Let's start, shall we? So guys, let's have a physical overview. So on this side we have nothing but the Moano logo and podcasting, sorry for the mispronunciation, podcasting microphone kit AU404 professional audio innovation. That's, and we get a overview of the microphone. And on this side it is written that high-res sampling rate, cardioid polar pattern, professional sound chipset, USB 2.0 plug and play, compatible with Windows and Mac OS, diameter 16 mm, mic capsule, full metal casing, boom arm stand included, easy to set up and all that. So we have the polar pattern, we can see frequency response, we can see a graph for that. We have the USB cable and all the things which are inside the box are written over here. So we have a microphone core of diameter 16 mm condenser, cardioid polar type, frequency response 30 Hz to 16 kHz, sensitivity minus 38 decibel, ampere to minus 3 decibel. So all the things you get, and we see the price quoted over here is 6,599, but I got this at an offer. I got this at a very cheap price of 28.96. So I got this. I had the money for something else, but I purchased this. Let's see how will I arrange the money now. Now let's open it, okay? And on this side we have the logos only and nothing else, okay? So let's open it. So you pull the tab and then you pull it out. So what's inside it? We have a foam cushioning. That's nice, okay? And I think the foam is discolored. I think the foam is discolored, man. What the hell? Okay, we have the mesh, no need for help, happy and all, user manual and all. So let's keep these things to the side. What else do you get inside the box? So when we open this is the mesh for voice and all. So we keep this thing to the side, and now let's check out the microphone itself. So we have a stabilizer grid over here. So for any impact, smaller impacts and all. The glue is still not dry. Okay, and we have the vertical mount over here. This is the vertical mount which will be used for mounting the microphone. This is the USB cable, okay, USB type, I forgot the type, to USB type A. This is USB type B most probably. And this is the holder for the vertical mount. Yeah, this is the clamp. Okay, so you unplug this clamp and you put it. Okay, this has a very good, okay, I needed this thing. I needed a huge area. So I'll be putting this up just after this recording this video. So here is the microphone itself. So let me open the microphone and show it to you guys. So here is the Moano microphone. You have the Moano logo over here. It's a cardioid. You don't have to keep it like this. You can speak it in this fashion only. So I'll be doing that. And here you can see the microphone. So that's it, what we get inside the box. So I think the audio quality of my videos, especially those which I record using my machine, will be improved using this microphone. We get a zip tie. Okay, we get a zip tie kind of stuff. Yeah, these are called, we get two of them sandwiched together. Okay, so we get them for tidiness, to tidily manage our cables and all. So we'll be using this, and I'll be learning how to set this up. So we have the user manual, which will definitely tell us how to use everything and all. So that's the thing. So guys, if you take my suggestion, you must read the user manual first before operating the microphone or any kind of devices. To that extent, I feel that's the main thing which we all should do. And let's check out why I wanted to see a thing that, okay, this can be opened, but how? Okay, you have to pull it like this and it will accept the microphone inside it. That's a pretty neat idea as per me. I don't know if these things are designed like this. So guys, this was the physical overview about the product, and we get this silica gel. Guys, we got silica gel. Finally we got silica gel in our product. Okay, I was just joking. And yeah, that's it. I will be like now I think the quality of my videos, the audio quality of my videos will increase with this microphone. And for general audio which I record on my phone camera, that is the audio you are hearing now, that's being recorded using the old microphone Boya BY-M1. So actually why I needed to purchase this, that microphone Boya BY-M1 was not working all of a sudden someday. So I ordered some batteries also. Those batteries never came. It took more than 2 weeks for those batteries to arrive. I don't know, LR44 batteries are so like we can find them anywhere, but I ordered it and they are not arriving. So I needed a microphone for my online classes, for recording videos and each and everything, and I didn't have any microphone. So I got this at a pretty cheap price. I was eyeing for this generally sells for, now it is being sold for 5,999, but it on offer it generally sells for 2,999, that is 3,000 rupees. But when I saw this that it is being sold for 2896, I was so excited and I got the microphone. And with the microphone, what happened is we got something more with the microphone, something more, meaning it was a very pretty good deal with the microphone. It is a complete kit. Not only the microphone, I'm getting the arm stand and all, so that I can properly place it in on my desk where I use where I have the setup of everything. So I'm eyeing for that, like I'll properly set it up and use it properly. So guys, thank you for supporting me in this journey of YouTube. So this is a new addition to my channel, and the next thing which I want to add to my channel is a camera. I need a camera pretty badly because this phone gets heated up a lot when I am using the camera for, like, as I told you, I need to take 4 to 5 shots minimum so that I get a proper video. But this camera heats up a lot, and this switches the phone off or the camera mode off on my phone. So I need to fix that, and for that I would be needing a camera, proper camera which we say. So that camera I'll be getting when I have some money, because the minimum amount of money which I need to spend for a camera is near about more than 20,000. So let's see. And guys, I hope this microphone sounds very good and you guys like my new ways of making videos. So guys, thanks for supporting me. And guys, if you're new to my channel and you want this kind of content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification icon beside it, and then select all, so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. And please share it with your friends. Please make my content reach all of your friends, all of your followers. That's it. And guys, that was one of the reason why I was not making videos. And the videos are like, the speed of videos are like decreasing, because the proper setup is not there with me, and that's the main thing. So guys, nothing to worry, I'll be posting the videos as soon as I can, and I hope to get your support as you have done in the near future in the same manner. So guys, without wasting your time, I was your host. You were watching your favorite channel, Subhra the Geek. Thank you. Goodbye. Khuda Hafiz. Shabba Khair.